So hello friends and welcome back. Today we are in previous video I started lesson number 2 polynomials, and in today's video I am going to start exercise 2.1 and we are going to take these two questions. So let's move on to question number 1. Question number 1 is, in question 1 you have been given 5 equations, actually 5 polynomials, and you have to say that they are of one variable or not. So what is a variable? See, this is x and this is 2. So x is variable and 2 is constant. So the variable is x. So here how many variables can you see? 1, 2. Here it is also a variable, but all the three variables are same. X, x, x. All the three variables are same. So here you will write yes. Now second question, y cube plus under root 2. So here after under root 2 you can add again x0. So now, sorry, not x0. Here the variable which you have given before, you have to add that. So here it will be y0. So now are there two variables? Yes, both are same, y and y. So here you will also write yes. This equation also has one variable. This equation also has one variable. So now third, so we have to do a little simplification on this. To remove this under root, we have to remove, if in an equation you are given the variable in under root, so you have to remove the under root, and then we will remove the under root, it will be written 1 upon 2. So this will change as t 1 upon 2. So now t and t are there, but now is this a polynomial? Now is this a polynomial? Remember what I told, that a polynomial, what is a polynomial? A polynomial is a number which has its power as whole number. A polynomial is an equation which has its power as whole number and has more than one terms. So what is a polynomial? Which has its power as a whole number and has many terms. So this has two terms, so many terms are there, but the power is not whole number. So now we will write no. There is one variable, but the power is not a whole number. So this equation is now not a polynomial. And in question you have been given polynomial, whether the polynomial has one variable or not. This is now no more a polynomial, so the answer will be no. Now this y plus 2y will be written as y plus 2y minus 1, and here you, where no sign is given, you can add the sign as 1, and when we remove the division and do it 2y, the sign will get minus 1. So minus 1, again see, whole numbers are from 0 to infinite, and this is minus, so this is no more an polynomial. This is no more a polynomial. So now we will write here also no, this is not a polynomial. So now the fifth one, here see, this is the polynomial, we do not have to simplify this, but x, y, z, three different variables are given. So you will write yes, it is a polynomial with different variables. So this is a polynomial with different variables. So now moving on to question number 2, we have to find the coefficient of x square. So the coefficient word means neighbor. So we have to find which constant is before x square. So now here no power is given, so we will write the power as 1. And now here in the first question I am not able to see x square, but I am also not able to see any variable after this constant 2. So after 2 I can write 2x square. I can write 2x square or not? I can write it or not? Yes, I can write it. So now the coefficient of x square in the question number 1 is 2. Now second one, it's also not given x square, but again 2 is given, again 2 will be written as 2x square. So again the coefficient of this is 2. Yes or not? Yes or not? Wait a second. Sorry for this problem, but in question here it is given 1. No, sorry, not 1, 2. Here in question it's given 2. By mistake I have written 3. So now we have an x square, and before x nothing is there, so 1. So what will you write here? -1, because the sign is minus. So the coefficient of x square in the second question of question number 2 is -1. So now question number 3, pi upon 2 x square plus x. So this is a very simple question. The coefficient of x square is pi upon 2. So here the coefficient of x square is pi upon 2. So now fourth one, question number 4, 2x minus 1. So here you will have to do a little simplification, like here you will have to write 0. No, not 0, 1. Here you will have to write 1, and here x square. So the coefficient of x square is 1. So I hope you understood this. Now I hope you understood this, both the questions. Now let's move on to question number 3. So question number 3 is the last question of today's video. So in question number 3 you have given, in question number 3 you have given that you have to write a binomial with degree 35. So question number 1 is you have to write a binomial with degree 35, and question number 2 is you have to write a monomial with degree 100. So what will you do? So let's do the first one. It will be binomial. So binomial means bi means 2, and nomial means terms. So 2 terms with degree 35. I already told in previous video that what is binomial degree and what is monomial and what is degree. So now a 2-term equation which is polynomial and which has its degree as 35. So here I will write first equation without degree. So here there are 2 terms. So now this is a binomial, but we should have the degree as 35. So here I will write 30 and here 35. So now this is the degree and this is a binomial. So this is the answer of question 1. You can write any other, because in question 3 you have asked, give an example of a binomial with degree 35. So whatever example you get, like another example is 100x 12 minus 40x 35. So whatever example you get in your mind you can write, but it should be a binomial with degree 35. So now answer number 2, monomial with degree 100. Mono means one and nomial means terms. I already told, with degree 100. This is very simple. This is a monomial with degree 100. So I hope you understood today's videos, all the topics. So bye everyone, and we will meet in the next video. In the next video I'll start question number I will complete exercise 2.1 and we will think what we will start. Okay, let's make it till there, because question number 4 and 5 are so simple. So we will complete 2.1 in next video and we will start 2.2 also. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to watch more videos like this. Thank you very much.